Today we'll talk about a new product in from MyFirst. Amongst the few we've done, check them out on site, type in MyFirst review. You'll see them all. So this is a 3D pen starter kit. MyFirst 3DPen make. Create 3D models, bring your drawings to life. Rechargeable battery, rapid solidification, and you've got safe to touch with low temperature filaments. 9 colours, 27 filaments. Kids love it. Creativity, active brain development and spatial awareness. So you've got mould and speed, 2 levels, temperature 2 levels, and you've got built-in power. Nozzle diameter 0.9, all that kind of stuff there. Let's get it out of the box and have a look. See what it looks like. I'll just rip these off here. And let's see what we have inside. Right, so we'll find out what that's for. Stickers as you get all the time with these, which is nice for the kids, not so much for the parents, they're all over the place. So this is your user manual here. Here is all the filaments, charging, and we have got the pen itself. So interesting to see how this actually works. So you got a button on the side here, button here, and another button here. Right, let's have a look here, see what's going on, so we can get a look and get started. Rightio. Filament hole down here in the bottom. So this, whatever colour you choose, we don't know what we're going to pick to show you how it works, but we'll pick one of them. Goes in there, so that's how you're going to get moving. Of course, this is your charging part here, and you've got upside down. Number 3 is your power and speed button. Position 1, 0 and 2. So you can hear that clicking there. Now you can hear the motor going. Forward, eject and temperature button. And of course number 5 is the actual indicator there, and 6 is start and stop. So that's going to start. So what's going to happen is, I suppose I've done something like this before, you pop in your filament here and start making something. Whatever it is that may be, I don't know what I'm going to make for you, but I will certainly give it a go. But that's all there is to it, not much to it, more in line with more complicated ones that I've done before. This is pretty, you can actually feel that heating up a little bit there now, so that means it's on. It's going to turn it off. So we'll get going and make something and come back to you. That's basically it, and yeah, you can get going. You can create all kinds of things. So here in the back there is some things you can make, which is beyond my reach at my age. But yeah, so this is for putting the stuff onto. So you can see there you've got glasses. You can make things yourself there. There's a lot of stuff in the book for you to get you going, to start on. There is plenty of stuff there, and I presume you can buy replaceables afterwards, but that's really it there. So what I have to do is get it set up and get it running. Try making something, so stay tuned after the break for that. So what you can do is start making your bits here piece by piece. As you can see, we've made a few here and then made a few more, and you can see how the 3D looks when it's complete. Pretty nice little gadget for your kids or yourself to play with and get creative. And of course you can make other stuff as well that's in the book, or use your own ideas, and that's the finished product. Pretty cool if you ask me. And this is our finished product of this here, a quick little thing we made up in bits and pieces which you would have seen there beforehand here. But that's it. You can get creative. So can your kids with this MyFirst 3D pen, creating 3D models, bringing your drawings to life. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.